Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and today I have an Amazon dress for you. So I actually went on Amazon because I was out of my cat treats, the Hairball treats that you give them to keep them from being sick. If I miss a couple days, man, oh, it's a mess. So I was out, so I had to order some really quick. I normally get it on the subscribe and save from Amazon. But yeah, somehow I ended up ordering a dress while I was doing that. I don't know how that could possibly happen. But so this is a Milumia women's button-up split front print flowy party maxi dress, black and red in a large, $39.99. Man, they have really long names. It's like a mouthful every time. I don't know what caught me that I just had to try it on, but it did. It just grabbed my attention, and now I can't figure it up. Okay, so I don't know that I love the way it feels, just starting off. But there it is. It's got a cute button up. It's got a little smock elastic waist. It has a tie right here. Little short sleeves that do have a button cuff on them. It's not buttoned, but pretty bright print. And it is a long, flowy maxi dress. And of course, buttons in the front, so it has a little bit of a slit at the bottom. Buttons all the way down. Let me see what it's made out of. Viscose, 100% viscose. Tumble dry low. May need an iron or a steamer. Does look like it would hold a few wrinkles. I wonder if that spray stuff would work on this though. You know, you spray it on and then you just kind of flatten it out. It's supposed to take the wrinkles out. I forget what it's called, but I've got some right inside my closet. Since I don't iron, I am not an ironing type person. So what do we think? Is this print too bold? Is it too wild? We're going to try this dress on and we're going to see what we think. I'll see y'all back in a second. So here's the dress. Although I think it's cute, it's too tight right here. I mean, you can see it just pulls right here. It tugs right here. Y'all, every single one of these buttons was unbuttoned. I had to sit down and just button all these buttons. Why would they do that to me? That's just cruel and unusual punishment right there. But yes, it is super cute. It's super flowy. Maybe if I had gotten a bigger size to fit this more and this more, it probably would be great. I keep reaching for pockets. I know everything does not have pockets, but it is cute. A little bowl of a print. I don't know that I'm loving it, but I mean, very cute dress. It just pulls a little here, and luckily under here is actually a flap of material, so it keeps it from showing that it's pulling. But you know, if you're up close to me, you can definitely tell that it's pulling. You probably definitely can tell this is tight. So I'm probably gonna send this one back. All right, y'all, so I am back to do a review of this dress. Y'all, it was just too tight and on my sleeves and on my top. So I'm gonna send it back. It was $39.99, just in case you're wondering. I will put a referral link, well, affiliate link, I'm sorry. I will put an affiliate link below. It doesn't charge you any extra, but it does give me a small commission like it would a sales lady if you do buy something once you've clicked on my link. I really do appreciate that. It doesn't necessarily have to be this dress. You could go on there and, you know, click through my link and then go buy your groceries. And if they have, you know, some things give you credit, some things don't. It just depends. But it would give me credit and it would really help me out. I really do appreciate it when you do that. So this dress, it's going to go back to Amazon. Y'all, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press that notification bell. Are you coming, Bonnie? She's like, all like, ooh, ooh, outside, ooh. It's just right off camera. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. She keeps starting to jump and then she stops. Starting to jump and stop. Come on. You want some more room? Come on. I was trying to get her over here before I ended it, but I guess she's not going to make it. Oh, she did. Miss Bonnie Faye, everybody. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.